Hello everyone. In this video we will learn how can we show formula instead of result, and if it's already showing the formula, how can we switch back to result. Let me show you how. I have few columns 1, 2, 3 and 4. If I apply simple sum formula, so is equal to SUM, press tab, select the range, close of bracket, press enter. And if I want to apply for the rest of the columns, just drag from the bottom and it will apply sum for the rest of the columns. So here I can see the result. So it's showing the formula here, but I want to see within the worksheet on this cell. So what I will do within the home tab, I will go to this number field and this drop down list. From here, I will select the text type and I will change its formatting type to text, and then again I will just drag from the bottom so it apply for the rest of the cells as well. Now I will apply the formula again, SUM, press tab, select the range, close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it's showing me the formula. If I want to apply for the rest of the cell, just drag from the bottom and it will apply for the rest of the cells as well. So now you can see instead of showing result, it's showing me the formula. So next step is how can I switch back if my worksheet is showing the formula instead of result. So what I will do first, I will select all those cells. Again, go to number section within home tab and select the type general. Select this one. And now I will apply the formula again is equal to SUM. Press tab, select the range, close of bracket, press enter. Now you can see it's showing me the numeric figure, so I will just drag from the bottom and now it will apply for the rest of the cells as well. So this is how you can quickly move from the formula to result and from the result to formula. So next thing is within the view tab, you can see the formula bar option. Formula bar is this one where I can see my formula. So if I just click on the side, it will show the full formula bar. I just minimize it from here. I can make it disappear as well. So if I just untick option from here within the view tab, like this formula bar untick, and the formula bar will disappear. To make it appear again, I will just tick here and the formula bar will appear. The next option is within this section is heading. Heading mean we can see that there are standard column name and standard rows name. So if I want to hide columns and rows, so I will untick this option, this one, and I can see now the standard rows name and the standard column name has been hidden. So bring back again, I will just take this option again, so it will show me the option again. Another option is grid line. So grid line is these, you can see the very thin border, very light border. So if I untick this option, it will make those lines disappear. To bring back again, I will just tick and it will appear the grid line again. So this is how you can quickly change the setting of the worksheet. You can show the formula and bring back from the result to formula and formula to result. Hit the like button if you like this video.